No, so what I do is I'm terrible at cleaning my brushes and my palette, which is why I am so dependent on Terpenoid Naturals for one. Um, so the thing that I love about Terpenoid Naturals is like, well, let's see, let me grab one of these. This is the Rosemary, the 279 series. It's that badger hair that replaced the mongoose brushes that we can no longer get. So what I love about Terpenoid Naturals is that it conditions the brushes, and I can sit here and get this razor sharp edge on my brushes every time. Let's see, up in the light, because of it. It's just an amazing thing. If you watch, I haven't washed my brushes in soap and water in at least 10 years, and probably only maybe 3 times in the lifetime of my brushes, lifetime of me painting. Well, I can't say that, because back in the 90s, I used to think that you had to do that. And I would get like that Masters soap, and I would use all kinds of different things to do it with. But it always seemed to, over time, cause my brushes to have problems more. And what it's doing is it's taking the natural oils out of the bristles. With the Terpenoid Naturals, it doesn't do that. It's a conditioner for the brushes. So if I haven't cleaned my palette right away and the paint has dried on there, I'll scrape it off with my razor scraper to where it's just basically that you see the slight color on there. And then I clean my brushes on top of all that so that at the same time it's cleaning my palette. So I'm using the Terpenoid Naturals for all of it. And then I just keep wiping it off with a paper towel till I'm done. And then once I get my brushes to where no color is coming out, they're clean enough. And I know a lot of people think, oh, I need to get everything out of there because my colors have to be just precise. I don't have to worry about that because I'm not that precise. I paint in a way that I'm mixing things together anyway. If you look at my palette, I tend to start with a big pile of paint, and then I'll start to work one side like on the cooler color temperature side of it, another side on the warmer color temperature side of it, or maybe one side lighter value, another side the darker value of that same color. So I'm always mixing things together anyway. So even if there's a tad bit of paint left in it, it doesn't usually bother me at all. But I can get with the Terpenoid Naturals everything out of my brush, and then it's just so nice for the brushes. That's why most of my brushes will last 10 years plus, and that's painting every day. They just last forever. It's amazing, and I attribute part of that to quality brushes, and the other thing to the Terpenoid Naturals.